Today I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down column in Smartsheet. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to standardize data entry across your team, ensuring everyone selects from the same set of options rather than typing freely, which can lead to inconsistencies. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to smartsheet.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your files and sheets are stored. From your homepage, you'll see your existing files displayed, browse through them, and select the specific sheet where you want to add the drop-down column. Click on it to open the sheet. This is where you'll be making your changes, so make sure you've selected the correct file before proceeding. Now that your sheet is open, take a look at your columns and find the last column you currently have. Position your cursor directly on the column title of this last column. You'll notice 3 dots appear either on or near the column header. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a menu with several options for managing your columns. From the menu that appears, select Insert Column Right. This action will create a new column immediately to the right of your current last column. A dialog box will pop up asking you to configure this new column. First, give your column a meaningful name that reflects the type of data you'll be collecting. Next, look for the column type dropdown and select Dropdown List. This is the key step that transforms your regular column into one with predefined options. You'll see additional settings appear that give you more control over how the dropdown functions. You'll notice 2 checkbox options here. The first is Allow multiple values per cell, which lets users select more than one option from your dropdown list. The second is Restrict to list values only, which prevents users from typing anything that isn't already in your dropdown options. Enable either or both of these options if they suit your workflow needs. Now comes the important part, defining what values will appear in your dropdown list. In the Values field, start inserting the specific options you want team members to choose from. These could be status updates like in progress, complete, or pending, or any other categories relevant to your project. Add as many values as you need, making sure each one is clearly labeled. Once you've finished adding all your drop-down values and configuring your settings, click OK to finalize your new column. Your drop-down column is now active and ready to use. Team members can click on any cell in this column and select from the options you've defined, making data entry faster and more consistent across your entire sheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.